Oh, yep, Bearwoodbrown here. I thought I timed it so the car would come. What I've learned is when you're doing these videos, you have to talk at the camera. If your head's pointed away from the camera, the sound ain't going to be no good. So what I'm doing right now, though, I'm making the first of many cuts here. I'm trying to cut one of these out so I have some place to go to. I already overcut that one a little bit, being picky. So not too high a speed. And you really should have some gloves and protective eyewear. I've got the glasses on. I should put the gloves on, but just for this quick demonstration, I'll just do it like I got right now. So. Just gonna move over a little bit more to this one. Careful with cars driving by and everything else. So I think you get the idea basically there, don't you? So I'll do one more. Oh, that's 2 minutes. That's enough. So Bearwoodbrown driveway part 3.